Atharva's brave comeback. Atharva, a name synonymous with energy in the bustling streets of Mumbai. He wasn't just another kid, he was a force of nature. Whether it was the roar of the cricket stadium, the splash of the swimming pool, or the quiet concentration of his studies, Atharva excelled everything. A star athlete, a bright student. He had the world at his feet, but life, as it often does, had a cruel twist in the story. Atharva got diagnosed with cancer. Cancer is an abnormal growth of cell which has the ability to involve adjacent tissue and even distant organs, and eventual death of the affected patients if the tumor has progressed to the stage where it cannot be treated. Types of cancers are carcinoma, sarcoma, melanoma, leukemia, lymphoma, and myeloma. He visited doctor's office with worried face. Doctor told him to do many tests, and the test report said it was cancer. The word echoed, a chilling whisper that stole the color from his vibrant life. Cancer, a thief that crept in, stealing his strength, his dreams, his future. The causes of cancer can be varied, including genetic predisposition, environmental factors like exposure to carcinogen, and lifestyle choices. Symptoms often depend upon types of cancer, but can include unexplained weight loss, fatigue, persistent pain, and changes in bodily function. The treatment like chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery are grueling a battle that is fought on the front lines of the body itself. During his struggle, many people distance themselves, fear and ignorance creating a wall of isolation. Atharva felt very lonely, as if he was left behind. But his family, a pillar of unwavering support, remained his constant. Treatments were harsh, draining him both physically and emotionally. But the love and unwavering support of his family were his lifeline. Awareness is crucial. Early detection through regular checkups and understanding the symptoms can significantly improve outcomes. We need to break the stigma around cancer, replacing fear with knowledge and compassion. Cancer isn't a death sentence, but a battle that can be won, especially with early detection and strong support. Slowly, painstakingly, Atharva began to rebuild his life. The pain, the fear it had left its mark, but it hadn't broken him. He returned to the fields, to the pools, to his studies with a renewed vigor, a determination forged in the fires of adversity. He wasn't just playing, he was proving a point. He was winning, not just medals, but against the odds. His story became a beacon of hope, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Atharva showed Mumbai and the world that even when life throws its hardest punches, you can rise stronger than before. The message of hope that Atharva gave through his cancer journey was, cancer tried to take everything from him, but it could not take his spirit. Remember, you are stronger than any challenge you face. Never give up on your dreams and never underestimate the power of hope. Atharva's story is a reminder that even in the face of the darkest storms, there is always a chance for a brighter tomorrow, and that the hope like Atharva's spirit is truly invincible. Thank you.
Cancer tried to take everything from me, but it could not take my spirit. Remember, you are stronger than any challenges you face, and never give up on your dreams. Happy World Health Day to everyone.